Hey Jarvis, can you build me a calculator with calculator interface and also add a GST calculation button? So here if you see it started building. So in the backend it uses a React framework Vite to build this application. So let's wait, it takes few seconds. So once the application is built, it ensures all the dependencies required to run this software. um, so once the dependencies are installed, this application you'll be able to see it. So let's wait. So now if you see, it has created me a calculator application. It looks pretty good. Let's see, let's test whether it works correctly. 25 plus 25 is equals to 50, which is correct. So I will add GST to it. Let's see. So after adding GST, it says 59. I don't know the calculation here. So I think it's working pretty good. So if you want, you can also manually change the code over here. So here you can also manually edit the code, uh, or you can directly ask Jarvis to do a changes for you for this application. So there are both ways you can do it. If you know the code, you can do it manually, or you can do it by Jarvis. So here I want to change the color of add GST button to green. So I will ask Jarvis to do it for me. Hey Jarvis, can you change the color of add GST button to green color? Okay, now it started building. um, Again, let's see what changes it does. Yeah, so I asked for green button, it has given me green button correctly, so it's working perfectly. Yeah, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing more videos on AI coding stuffs and many things. I'll be bringing many projects in the future. So this is just an you can say a point one version of this Jarvis AI, where it is able to build a small application, but the goal is to make this Jarvis to build a mid-level application. So the basic idea here is, so you just don't need to type anything, or you just no need to type writing a prompt or anything here. You just need to ask Jarvis, like how uh, Iron Man asked Jarvis to to do something for him. So this is similarly, that's the inspiration I took from Iron Man, and then I built this Jarvis over here. I might change this name in upcoming days, from Jarvis to something else, but here the original inspiration was Jarvis, so I kept the Jarvis as it is. So my goal, or you can say my actually idea is here to build or to make this AI capable of building at least a mid-level of web applications. So uh, let's see how far I can code this, how far I can build this application. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.